Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll connect to Telegram and Facebook, set up comment replies, and connect to Flow Agent. Let's start by creating and connecting a Telegram bot. First, open Bot Father in Telegram to create a new bot. Click Start and enter the new bot command to begin. Enter a bot name, then create a username that ends with bot. Bot Father will generate a token for connecting the bot. Then go to Mampu AI Settings, Inboxes, add a new inbox, and select Telegram. Paste the bot token and create the Telegram channel. Choose the agents who should have access to this inbox. Once completed, the Telegram inbox is ready. Send a test message to the bot and confirm that it appears in conversations. Next, let's connect a Facebook page. Go to Settings, open Inboxes, add a new Inboxes, and select Facebook. Continue with the Facebook account that manages the page. Select the Facebook page you want to connect. Give the inbox a clear name and create it. Choose the agents who should have access to the inbox. The Facebook inbox is now connected. Next, let's set up an automatic reply for Facebook comments. Open the Facebook inbox, go to Comment Replies, and add a new rule. Give the rule a clear name and make sure it is enabled. Set the trigger keyword that should activate the automation. Here, we'll use appointment. Next, enter the public reply that will appear under the customer's comment. You can also send a private message to continue the conversation. You can also automatically like comments that match the rule. Save the rule, and the Facebook comment reply automation is ready. Finally, let's connect the Facebook inbox to a Flow agent and test the automation. Open the Flow agent then open Inboxes, select the Facebook inbox, and save the assignment. Choose the appropriate publishing audience, then publish the Flow agent. Now let's test the Facebook automation with a real comment. Comment with the trigger keyword we configured earlier. Customer receives the configured private messenger message. Finally, return to Mampu AI to confirm the interaction reached the correct inbox. Next tutorial, we will continue to build and manage your help center. Subscribe for next tutorial.